Hello learners, welcome to Sure Question Academy. Please watch the videos, like and subscribe to the channel.
Let's look at an interesting problem about electric circuits. Ready? Observe this circuit diagram carefully. It shows a resistor connected to a battery. The question is, the diagram shows a simple electric circuit with a current flowing through a resistor. How much heat is generated in the resistor in 10 seconds? Let's check the options. Option A, 100 joules. Option B, 200 joules. Option C, 400 joules. Option D, 800 joules. Let's solve it and find the correct one. Let's analyze the circuit and find the answer step by step. When current flows through the resistor, electrical energy is converted into heat energy. This is the heating effect of electric current. From the diagram, the current I flowing through the circuit is 2 amperes. The resistance of the resistor R is 5 ohms. The given time t is 10 seconds. We need to find the heat generated, H. First, let's recall the formula for heat generated. According to Joule's law of heating, heat H is equal to I squared RT. Let's use this equation. Now, let's substitute the given values into the equation. Substituting the values. H is equal to 2 squared into 5 into 10. First, let's square the current value to. H is equal to 4 into 5 into 10. Now, multiplying 4 and 5, we get 20. So, H is equal to 20 into 10. Let's do the final multiplication. Therefore, the final heat generated H is equal to 200 joules. So, option B is the correct answer. Excellent. Keep learning.